Today we're going to be taking a look at 5 apartments for sale in Kingston. Apartment number 1. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment found on University Crescent in the Kingston 6 area. The square footage of this apartment is 800 square feet and it's being sold for 30.5 million Jamaican dollars. Now for the complex, you do have access to a swimming pool and of course 24-hour security. So from here, let's go and take a closer look. Here we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. We then have the bedroom. Here is the bathroom. And lastly, we have the laundry area. From here, we're going to head on the outside to show the swimming pool. So that would be the end of the tour for apartment number 1. So if you are interested, it is being sold for 30.5 million Jamaican dollars. Apartment number 2. Now this is another 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment located in the Ruthven Towers complex, which is in New Kingston. The size of this apartment is approximately 828 square feet and it's on the market for 35 million Jamaican dollars. Let's take a look on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. Followed by that, we have the bedroom. Next is the bathroom. That will then bring us to the end of the tour for apartment number 2. Apartment number 3. This 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment is located in Armour Heights in the Constant Spring area. The size of this apartment is approximately 1,500 square feet and it's on the market for 46 million Jamaican dollars. As we take a look on the inside, first we have the living area. And next is the kitchen. Followed by that, we have the bedroom. This house has 2 bedrooms in all, however only one is being shown. Up next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. Second bathroom. And this is the third bathroom. Next, we have the laundry area. And lastly, here is the balcony. That will then end the tour of apartment number 3. So if you are interested, it is on the market for 46 million Jamaican dollars. Apartment number 4. This 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment is located in the Malachi complex on Dillsbury Avenue, Kingston 6. The size of this apartment is approximately 1,500 square feet and it's on the market for 46 million Jamaican dollars. One amenity that you will enjoy while staying at this apartment is that you will have access to the swimming pool. Let's take a look on the inside. First, we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is a second bedroom. Followed by that, we have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. Second bathroom. And this is the third bathroom. That will then bring us to the end of the tour of apartment number 4. Apartment number 5. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment found on Kensington Crescent in the Kingston 5 area. The square footage of this apartment is approximately 700 square feet and it's been sold for 28.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. We then move right along to the bedroom. For the bathroom, there were no images provided. Next is the laundry area. And finally, we have the balcony. That would end the tour for apartment number 5. This also brings us to the end of the video. So if you were interested in any of the apartments that were previously shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the apartments. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.